Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create business page on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to create a business page on your Facebook account, what you can do is just open up your Facebook application. And after opening up your Facebook application, just tap on the three-part icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on the three-part icon, now you can tap on see more. And then after tapping on see more, here you can find this option which says pages. Just tap on that, and after tapping on that, now in order to create a page, you can tap on create, which is on the top left corner of your screen. And after tapping on create, now you can start creating your page. So to create your page, just tap on get started, and then enter the name of your business. After entering the name of your business, just tap on next. And after tapping on next, now you have to select the category that your business is based on. So just select a category and then tap on create, which is on the bottom. After tapping on create, now to create a business page, you have to tap on this first option which says promote your products or services, best for companies, non-profits and other organizations. You have to tap on this first option and then tap on continue, which is on the bottom. After tapping on continue, now you have to enter your bio in the first option which says general. And after entering your bio in contacts, you have to enter your website name. So if you have a website, you can enter your website name. If you don't have to enter your website name. So after entering your website's name, now you have to enter your email and then enter your phone number. After entering those, now you just have to scroll down, and inside your locations, you have to enter your addresses, your city, town, and then enter your zip code. And after entering your location, now you have to enter the hours. So from what to what hours you are available, you have to enter those. So if you are not available, just tap on this first option. So if you are open 24 hours, you can just select this second, or if you are a standard hours, you can enter those hours. So just select the days that you are closed and then select the days that you are open. So now just select the days that you are closed and then tap on done, which is on the bottom. And after tapping on done, your changes will be saved. And after entering all the details, now you can just tap on next. After tapping on next, now what you can do is just add a profile picture for your page. So just tap on the camera icon which you can see and just add a profile picture that you like. And after adding a profile picture, just tap on next, which is on the bottom. And now what you can do is in this page you can find your friends, and you just have to add those friends. So just tap on add and you will successfully add those friends in your page. So those friends will help you grow your page. So just add them if you like. If you don't have to add them. And after doing this, what you can do is just tap on next. So now it will ask you if this page will be notified in your profile. So the page notification on your profile, don't miss update and your page. So by turning on this option, what it does is it will display this page on your profile. So if you want to do that, you can just turn this option on, or if you don't want to, you just turn this option off. And then if you want to receive the promotional emails about your page, you just have to turn this option on. So if you don't want to, you can just turn that option off. And after doing this, just tap on done, which is on the bottom. And after tapping on done, here you can see I've successfully created your page. And now what you can do is just tap on start tour and then tap on next, and you have successfully created your page. Now you can go ahead and add your businesses, send emails and do anything with your page. So that's it guys. This is how to create a business page on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.